Today you'll learn to read Python's mind, see exactly what it's thinking. Today we're becoming programming detectives. We'll break down real-world problems and figure out exactly where we need if statements, trace through code execution step by step like absolute pros, track how variables change as our program flows, and predict what our program will output before we even run it. Here's the secret that separates good programmers from great ones. Always think before you code. Before writing any if statement, analyze your situation first. Ask yourself, when does my program need to make a decision? What are all the different possible outcomes? Picture this. You're at the school canteen on a Friday. The owner says, "Hey, Fridays are special. Everyone gets 10% off." Now imagine we need to build a program for this. Where do we even start? Let's break this down step by step. First question, when do we give the discount? Only on Fridays. Second question, how much discount? 10% of the original cost. Third question, what's the final price? Original cost minus the discount amount. See how we're identifying exactly where we need our if statement? Here's our solution. We set the day to Friday and cost to 50. Our if statement checks if it's Friday, and if so, calculates a 10% discount, updates the cost, and prints a discount message. Finally, we always print the final cost. Let's trace through this line by line. Now for the really cool part, time to put on your detective hat. This is it, the superpower every programmer needs. Tracing is like following a treasure map through your code. You track every single step Python takes, every change to every variable, every decision it makes. Once you master this, no bug can hide from you. Watch the magic unfold in our trace table. Line 1, day becomes Friday. Line 2, cost becomes 50. Line 3 is the big moment. Python asks, is Friday equal to Friday? Yes, it is. So we enter the if block. Line 4 calculates our discount as 5. Line 5 updates cost to 45. Every single move tracked. Did you trace it correctly? The final cost stays 50 because there's no discount on Monday. Since Monday doesn't equal Friday, the if condition is false, so Python skips all the indented lines and only prints final cost 50. Let's get trickier. Here we have two separate if statements. They're independent. The first checks if age is less than 12, the second checks if age is less than 18. With age 15, let's trace through both conditions. Watch this careful tracing. Age 15, fee 100, student card starts as no. First if, is 15 less than 12? False, so skip line 5. Second if, is 15 less than 18? True, so student card becomes yes and fee becomes 90. Final output, fee 90, student card yes. Final challenge. With x equals 5 and y equals 10, what will print from this code? First, if checks if x times 2 equals y. Second, if checks if x plus y is greater than 12. Then we always print done. Take your time and trace it. Here's something super important. When you have multiple if statements, they're like multiple detectives working on different cases. Each one checks its own condition independently. One can say no while another says yes. Incredible work. You're now officially a certified code detective. What an amazing achievement. You've mastered the art of code analysis and tracing. Remember these detective skills. Always analyze your situations before you start coding. Break complex problems down into clear decision points. Trace through code step by step to truly understand the flow. Track how variables change at every single line. And remember that multiple if statements are completely independent checks. You're thinking like a true programmer now. You've unlocked an incredible power today. You learn to think and analyze before writing any code. Create trace tables that reveal every secret. Follow code execution like a master detective. Understand that each if statement makes its own decisions, and best of all, this skill prevents 90% of bugs before they even happen. You can literally read Python's mind now.